Hello everyone. Today we're gonna see how to integrate data from different sources. Firstly, you need to identify the data you need based on your goals, such as customer data, transaction data, or operational data. Now, depending on the complexity and real-time needs of your project, choose one of the following methods. You have ETL, which is extract, transform, and load, best for data warehousing and batch processing. Just extract data from various sources, transform it into a unified format, then load it into a data warehouse. For example, combining sales data from multiple stores into a single database. Now you need to calculate how much data needs to be extracted from each source. For big data projects, plan batch processing during off-peak hours to reduce resource strain, and use data profiling to determine data quality and redundancy. Now finally, all you have to do is monitor and maintain integration. And that's it guys, thank you for watching, and please don't forget to like and subscribe for more.